Well, welcome to this vlog. We just put a lip kit on this 350Z, and now we're going to roll the fenders on the RX8 for free. So obviously it has to be done for free since this car is on a budget and we are poor. So here's some rolling lessons. We're in the driveway. I want to pull up just a little bit. That way I can back up. And he's going to put this in here and hold it at an angle about like this. And it's going to go all the way to this where the metal fender ends. So as long as he holds this at the right angle, then it'll roll this fender lip all the way in flat with the inside of the fender. Ready for it? Alright, so just keep it at an angle like this, and then you'll have to like hold on to this really tight because it's going to want to move around because there's a lot less space here, but just don't hit the wheel with it. So, wait, I gotta scoot up first. But yeah, so this will spin. Good thing. So that'll spin like pretty good. So just like hold it like right there. And I'm going to back up and it's going to go around the wheel. Oh. Yeah. More angle. It's fine. It's fine.
Just keep it off the wheel.
It's fine.
You're breaking the fender.
Oh out. God. Is that fiberglass or metal? Sounds like metal. It'll be fine. It's working. Oh, we found Bondo.
We can use the little end up there.
Yeah, I mean,
probably
I guess
could.
We could. It'll spin though, so you have to hold it like down here.
Yeah.
And up here. Yeah, use the little end. And then maybe we can work our way up to the big one. More angle. Other way. Yep.
On the ground.
Alright, now move the end of it towards the rear. Go back this way. Try to pull it off the wheel there. Alright, now we're going forward. Oh, that worked awesome. I mean, we're missing some paint, but it's getting repainted anyway. all I need to do is like jack it up and like take a hammer to it and like smooth it out better. But yeah, see, that works. I don't think the front will work because where it's like so far in. I guess we'll just do like the other rear. So I don't know, but that works like pretty good. Except we got some Bondo missing or something. Some kind of body filler. I'll have to cut that bolt right there off the fender. So I guess we'll start with the big end like we did, or should we just start with the smaller end? That's fucking weird. That's not fucking weird. Okay, big end.
Problem.
What you care?
Forward. Forward. A little bit more forward. A little bit more forward. Alright. That one worked good.
It's really smooth.
Yeah, that one worked real good.
Nice. I'm kind of impressed. Now all I gotta do is just like take a hammer and just kind of smooth it out a little bit. That worked really good. That's the first time I've ever done that too. I mean, it's fun, right?
That's pretty good.
Now we need to just body work a little bit here, body work a little bit here, sand the whole thing and mask it off, and then it's ready for paint. Here's some carnage from the fender, but it's fine, it's getting a new paint job. Now we can actually drive it without it rubbing. So we're going to be working on some wheels today, and it's got some curb rash and all kinds of other stuff, so enjoy this time lapse.
Thank you.